Time is 6 months is nothing but 6 by 12, that's equal to 1 by 2 years. So the rate of interest R is equal to 4 by 100 is 0.04%, that is 0.04, and the banker's gain is given to be rupees 20. Now we know that BG is equal to BD minus TD. So BD is equal to face value minus F minus the discounted value. That is face value 3500 minus 3451. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class we have discussed the problems for 2 marks and 1 marks based on BD, banker discount, TD, true discount, and due date and the face value. So today also I am going to discuss regarding the problems based on the face value of the problem and the due date, as well as the banker discount, banker gain, all those type of problems for 3 marks. So let us discuss the problems for 3 marks. So this type of questions are very, very important for the point of examination. You may expect one question from this type of problems. Let me move on to the first problem. What is the problem? The difference between BD, banker discount, and true discount. The difference between BD and TD on a bill due after 6 months at 4% interest per annum is rupees 20. Find the TD, BD and the face value. So here what is the given value? What is the given condition? The difference between BD and TD is given. Now what is required to find is BD and TD is to be determined as well as the face value. Okay. So here the difference between the BD and TD is on a bill due after 6 months at 4% interest per annum is rupees 20. Find the TD. So what is required to find is that TD is to be determined, and again BD is to be determined, and the face value F is to be determined. The face value F is to be determined. Okay. Now what is given? Just given that so a bill due date for 6 months, time period is given, that is equal to 6 months, nothing but 6 divided by 12 is 1 by 2 years, and at a rate of interest R is equal to capital R is equal to how much they have given? 4%. So therefore R is equal to 4 divided by 100, that's equal to 0.04. Yes, interest per annum is rupees 20. That is the difference between the BD and TD on a bill due after 6 months at 4% interest per annum is 20. So that means the banker's gain is given. The banker's gain is equal to rupees 20. So these are the given conditions. See, listen. Time is 6 months is nothing but 6 by 12, that's equal to 1 by 2 years. So the rate of interest R is equal to 4 by 100 is 0.04%, that is 0.04, and the banker's gain is given to be rupees 20. Now what is required to find is TD, BD and the face value F, right? Now first find out the banker's gain. So first we know banker's gain BG is equal to TD into T into R, right? So what is BG? Banker's gain is 20 is equal to, we don't know, TD into T. What is T? T is equal to off here, that is 0.5 into, this is nothing but 0.5 into 0.04. So therefore TD can be written as TD is equal to 20 divided by 0.5 into 0.04, that's equal to 20 divided by 0.02. So 20 divided by 0.02 is equal to 1000. This is 1000. So therefore the TD is equal to rupees 1000. First answer we got. Right. Now just find out BD. The second one is the BD. BD is equal to, BD is very simple, TD plus BG. So what is TD? TD is 1000 plus banker's gain. BG is equal to, what is BG? We know 20. So this is equal to rupees 1020. So BD is equal to rupees 1020, right? Now the face value, third one, F is equal to, the face value F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. That's all. Simplify this. Okay. Now what is this equal to? BD. BD is equal to 1020 into TD is 1000 divided by BG is equal to 20. Simplify this. So that's equal to, if you divide this 50 times, it will get cancelled. 1020 into 50. Simplify this. So if you simplify, this is equal to 51,000. So therefore, the face value F is equal to rupees 51,000. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. See, very simple. What is given? Just find the value of TD and BD and the face value. The difference between these two is given. The difference between BD and TD for 4% for 6 months is 20. So time period is 6 months. 6 by 12 is equal to 1 year. That is 1 by 2 years. That is 0.5 year. Then rate of interest R is equal to 4%, means 4 by 100 is 0.04%, and BG is equal to 20. First find out the value of TD. For that we know BG is equal to TD into T into R. BG, bankers gain, 20 is equal to TD into T is 0.5 into rate of interest 0.04. So therefore only TD is equal to 20 divided by 0.5 into 0.04, 20 by 0.02 is equal to rupees 1000. So therefore the first answer TD is equal to 1000. Now BD. Now BD is equal to TD plus BG. What is TD? TD is 1000 plus BG is equal to 20, that is 1020 rupees. So BD is equal to rupees 1020. TD is 1000, BD is 1020. And find third one. Third one is face value. Face value of the bill is BD into TD divided by BG. What is BD? 1020. TD is equal to 1200 divided by the banker's gain 20. So 1000 divided by 20 is 50. So 1020 into 50 is equal to 51,000. So therefore the face value F is equal to rupees 51,000. So these are the required answer. So TD is equal to 1000 and BD is equal to 1020 and the face value is 51,000. That's it. This is very important problem for a 3 marks. Hope you followed. Now move on to a similar type problem. Same type problem. BD and BG. BD and BG on a certain bill due after some time are rupees 1250 and rupees 50 respectively. Find the face value of the bill. Here BD and BG on certain bill for due date after some time are given. BD is given and BG is also given. So find the face value of the bill. Face value of the bill is to be determined. Very simple problem. Okay. Now just substitute what is given. Given that BD is equal to rupees 1250 and banker's gain BG is equal to rupees 50. Then respectively find the face value. F is the question mark. Very simple for 3 marks. BD is equal to 1250, BG is equal to rupees 50, face value is the question mark. Right. Now we know that BG is equal to BD minus TD. Right. Now just find out TD from this. TD is equal to, just keep BD here itself, BD minus BG. What is BD? 1250 minus BG is equal to 50, that's equal to 1200. So therefore TD is equal to rupees 1200. Right. Okay. Now simple, very simple. See here, BD is 1250 and BG is rupees 50. Face value is to be determined. Since we know the relation BG is equal to BD minus TD or TD is equal to BD minus BG, BD is 1250 minus 50, that is 1200. Therefore TD is equal to 1200. Now what is to find the face value? So we know the formula for face value. F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. Right. BD into TD divided by BG is the face value. Now what is this equal to? BD is equal to 1250 into TD. What is TD? 1200 divided by BG. Banker's gain is 50. Divide this. So gets cancelled. 0, 0 gets cancelled. If we divide 120 by 5, how many times it will get cancelled? 24 times. So 1250 into 24. Simplify this. 1250 into 1200 by 50 means 0, 0 gets cancelled. 120 by 50 is 24. So therefore, the face value F is equal to rupees 1250 into 24. That's equal to 30,000. So therefore, the face value is equal to rupees 30,000 in this case. That's it. Okay, very simple. Just find out the value of a TD. TD is equal to BD minus BG. And what is the face value? BD into TD divided by BG. That's equal to rupees 30,000, which is the required answer. Now, let us move on to the next problem. So this is very important problem for 3 marks. A bill for rupees 3,500 due for 3 months was drawn on 27th March 2012 and was discounted at the rate of 7% on 18th April 2012. Find the BD, banker's discount, and the discounted value DV is to be determined. So here what is given? The face value is given. How much? Rupees 3,500. So the due date discount, that is the due date is equal to 27th March 2012, that is 27/03/2012, right, for 3 months, right, and then was discounted at rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is equal to 7%, that is 7 divided by 100 is equal to 0.07. Now what is to find BD? BD is the question mark, and discounted value DV is also be determined. These are the things to be determined. That's it. Okay. Now first find out the legally due date. So the legally due date is equal to, so what is the due date? 27/03/2012. Okay. Due for 3 months. 3 months means, so this is 03/2012 and the grace period of 3 days. So that is equal to, what is this equal to? 2012 as it is, and this is 06 and 27 and 3 days means 30. That means 30th of, so March, April, May, June, June 30th, 30 June 2012, right? So the legally due date is 30 June 2012. Now just find out the time. So therefore T is equal to, so 18 April. So S was discounted at the rate of 7% on 18th April 2012. April, May plus June. So discounted on 18th April means remaining 12 days, 12 days of April plus remaining 31 days of May plus 30 days of June. So totally, so 3 plus 2, 6, 7, 73 days. T is equal to 73 days, right? Now therefore T is equal to 73 divided by 365 is equal to 1/5 year. 1/5 year. That's also equal to 0.2 years, right? Now just find out the discounted value. So first find out DV. So the discounted value, first find out the discounted value is equal to F into 1 minus TR. That is nothing but 3,500 is the face value. 1 minus, what is T? T is equal to 0.2 into, what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 0.07. This is equal to 3,500 into 1 minus, simplify this, 0.014. This is equal to 3,500 into 0.986. That's equal to 3,451. So therefore discounted value is rupees 3,451. Now first answer, the discounted value. Now find out BD. The second one is BD. So BD is equal to face value minus F minus the discounted value. That is face value 3500 minus 3451. So 500 minus 451, that's equal to 49, rupees 49. So here, just the legally due date is 27/03/2012. So that is for 3 months. Then for grace period of 3 days, that is totally 30/06/2012. That means 18 days of 18th April. The due date is on 18th April 2012. 12 days in April plus 31 days in May plus 30 days in June, totally 73 days. So T is equal to 73 by 365, that's nothing but 0.02 year. So therefore, first find out the discounted value. DV is equal to F into 1 minus TR, 3500 into 1 minus 0.2 into 0.07. So that's equal to 3500 into 0.986 is 3451 is the discounted value, and BD is equal to F minus DV, that is the face value minus discounted value. 3500 minus 3451. So 500 minus 451 is 49 rupees. So therefore BD is equal to 49 and DV is equal to rupees 3451. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Very simple. Hope you followed. Right. These are few problems based on a BD and a BG and a TD and the face value. So for 3 marks questions. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.